Are you tired of doing the exact same thing over and over again, i.e., sending the exact same email replies to your customers, frequently asked questions, and those kind of things, and you just can't figure out how you can get rid of this without hiring a lot of people and those kind of things? I've got a solution for you. My name is Siavash, and what I do automation for businesses, and we basically save them anywhere between 50 to 40 hours per week by automating a lot of the things that they do in their business, so you can figure out how much money that can save your business. And why you should trust us, because I'm a software engineer and I know how these things works. All right. Uh, so this example that I've built is, let's say you're a property manager, for example, and you get a lot of uh, emailed inquiries from your renters as like, hey, my I don't know, shower is leaking. I need an electrician for my lamps, whatever. So you get a lot of those kind of things. And obviously you have a list of contractors and tradies that you refer them to the renters, the tenants, to basically get in touch with them. And you've been doing this like every single day for, I don't know, 10, 50 times a day, depending on how big your business is. And just tired of sending the exact same email like multiple times. So what we built in here, we have an AI assistant that basically have all the knowledge that you have, all the databases of plumbers, tradies, anyone that you know that you keep referring to your tenants. And we hook this up to your email. So when an inquiry comes in and the tenants wants to know basically how they can fix that thing, it automatically send them a reply that, hey, this is Joe the plumber. We know him. This is his rate. You give them a couple of options with the rates. You give them the phone numbers, and they can get in touch. So very simple, hey? All right. I'm not gonna go through like how to set this up because obviously that's what we do, and I don't want to bore you. But this is the result. So I've sent this email, and I'll show you that this is an actual result. So I'm not faking it. I've sent this email to this address, and this address is kind of like mimicking that I'm a property manager. And this is how I actually responded back. So as you can see, it responded back, contacted one of our trusted plumbers to have the shower head fixed. It giving the name and also the rate of the plumbers, and if it has the phone number, it gives them the phone as well. And as you can see, it's very professional, and you don't need to do anything about it. It's just there and it just keeps replying to your tenants. And on top of that, if it's something urgent and it doesn't know about it, it will notify you that, hey, this is the thing that I can't answer. You need to take care of it. And to show you that this is actually the AI, I'm not faking it. I'm just going to show you what has happened here. So the email has came through. It went to the AI, the chat GPT. The chat GPT, basically, we obviously have a prompt here built in with everything. And then in here, it will write the email properly. And then at the end, it replies to that email within that thread. As you can see, the reply has been sent. So I haven't done it, set it up, and it automatically does the whole thing. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this one, and let me know if you have any questions or if you need any help with any of these. You can follow us, subscribe. The website is down there, and let me know if you have a specific business scenario that you want us to automate for you, and more than happy to do a video on that as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.